Okay, like I've showed you before, I will now couple this two handle from the bracket. I'll now couple it on the body of the television, the back of the TV set, so that it will now enable me to place it on the wall. And when you want to tighten the two handle on the TV, look out for the hook size. This is the hook position, so where it will hook on the one that I've put on the wall. So watch out for this place so that you know how you place it. Okay, so I will place it like this, so that after tightening the four positions of this bracket, I will now carry this television like this and place it on the wall, so it will be very okay like that. Let me now go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, then as you are doing it, you count the number of holes where you tighten this. That's the same number of holes you will count on the other side to tighten up the other one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the fifth position. So I will still count like that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the fifth position, I'm placing my bolt to tighten it up. So this is what I've been doing for years. The installation is what I've been doing for years. So I encourage you, if you're new here, try to remember subscribing. Subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting all the videos on the go. Okay, we are good to go. So everything is in place now. I will now go straight to the wall where I fixed the other bracket and now hook it up. From this side, I will just hook it up. So right now, I've finished with the installation. I will now place the TV where it's supposed to be, on top of the bracket, for everything to go smoothly. So you'll see. So this is the TV. Just place it here. So I'm through with the installation. So the TV has been placed normally, and as you can see, it is in horizontal position. So everything is good and well fixed. So once you learn how to do it, you can do it for the customer and collect good amount of money. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.